Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Joel here, and we're going to do a video / review of the Rosewill game mechanical keyboard. I think it's called the Striker. I have no idea because I got it a long time ago, not too long ago, but I don't remember the name of it. It was only $50. Yeah. So we're going to do a review, and if I sound a little tired, it's because, yeah, I don't know why I'm tired. But I'm really hungry. So let's not waste any time and get right into this. So it is a mechanical keyboard, obviously. You can use it for gaming, typing. Typing, it is amazing. Gaming, you will not get used to it until the third week of playing on it, because switching from a a rubber dome to the mechanical key switch is definitely a thing to get used to, and you will not get used to it until the third week or something. But it takes like very minimal amount of force to actually press it. Even the space bar, it takes like and if you want to look at it, I haven't even showed that yet. I have an Apple sticker because that's good. So I have these little things that come with the little packet here. I already put them on, but I will show you all that good stuff. But yeah, it is very not flexible. It is sturdy because it's not plastic. I mean, it is plastic, but it is very sturdy. If you want to bend it while you're gaming, if that floats your boat, then that's fine with me. But it is the cheapest one you can get, and it is actually very good. One thing to get used to about this layout is because I don't know if you see that, but the enter key is ginormous. Crap, I can't really see that, but the enter key, instead of being like one long strip, it is like that, and the backspace is one key, like one of these keys right here. But space key's very long. It is good. And it comes with this packet, which is very nice. And it comes with, in the bag, where did I put there's like a key remover thingy, a doohickey, because I want to demonstrate that. Crap, that sucks. What? Sorry, I'm not prepared for this. Because I never do reviews. Well, whatever. I was gonna demonstrate. Oh, there it is. It comes with this little thing. It's not the best, but it works. So you can take a key off. I am going to go like this. Since it's like that. Okay. So you can take the key off right there. See, it just pops off very nicely. Just take them off quite easily. So yeah, it comes with these, so you can easily put them back on. Oh crap. A W S right there. So sorry about the wobbles and stuff, but oh geez, it's dark. Wow, why is it dark? Okay, that's weird. Jeez, this is a sloppy video. Why is it so dark? There we go. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, woo! That was hilarious. Oh, and it has a braided 3.0 USB cable. Yeah, it's braided. It's very nice. It will not kink. Like, look at that. It doesn't kink. it doesn't allow you to. But it is a gold-plated USB 3.0 cable. The gold just means it's 3.0. Yeah, let me just put these away real quick. I don't know. But what else is there? It is, I forgot to mention this in the first place, but it is a mechanical key switch blue. So it is a Cherry MX blue. Forgot the name there for a second, but it's very nice. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will put the link down in the description for it if I can ever find it. But on Amazon, it's around $50. $50. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye, everyone.